Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1998 Toyota LiteAce Noah. It comes with 65,762 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 3SFE 2.0 liter 4-cylinder gasoline engine with an automatic transmission. This LiteAce Noah is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 doors alongside 1 rear sliding door and 1 rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right. We'll check the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. This vehicle does come in kilometers, not miles, as y'all can see right here. And then the number down here, 105,835, that is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 65,762. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. I did want to tell you guys, thank you so much for the continual support. We really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. It really does mean a lot to us. I pray y'all have a blessed and safe day.